Hi guys, I'm Olowo Joseph from Guidance School Batch 205 Group 3. I'm here to make a presentation on ideology of MMM, and I tagged it MMM, a sure way of eradicating poverty. Let's go. MMM is an acronym of the surname of three brothers being put together, known as Mavrodi. So the initial of their surname, Mavrodi, M, is just combined together for these three brothers to form the word or the acronyms MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a mutual financial aid created to help people to meet their urgent or future financial needs using their spare money to do that. Now, what does this imply? You all agree with me that every human being on earth cannot need the same thing at the same time. Now, let's take money as our case study. Let's assume Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C all exist. Now, if Mr. A has some money in his pocket or his bank account which he don't actually want to use at a given time, and Mr. B needs this money for something that he wants to use urgently, but he don't have the money. Now, when Mr. A agreed to give Mr. B the exact amount that he or she need at that particular time, Mr. A has actually helped Mr. B to meet his urgent financial need. Now, when Mr. C agreed to give money to Mr. A in the future when Mr. A needs that money, then Mr. C has actually helped to meet Mr. A future financial needs. So this is just the basic ideology of MMM. How does MMM works? First of all, for you to enjoy the benefit of MMM, you need a registration, and the registration can be done on their website. Now, when you log into their website www.mmmnigeria.net, you are asked to sign up, where you put your vital details, your name, your phone number, your nickname, which will be address you with on their platform, your email address. Then you create an account which will give your bank details. After this, then you move to the dashboard. On the dashboard, there are two main icons there. They get help and they provide help. Now, you cannot get help if you have not provided help. For the provide help, you click on the provide help. On this platform, you'll be asked to specify the spare money, the amount of money that you want to assist somebody with, only that money at that instance or within a shortest time to come. Now, when you provide help with, let's assume, 100,000 naira by Mr. A, now this money will not just remain 100,000 naira. The money continues to grow with time, from time to time, and the money is not recorded as 100 naira, but is recorded or is having a denomination known as Marvel. So your 100,000 becomes 100 Marvel on the first day, but on the second day, percentage will be added to it and it becomes 100 and something Marvel. Then, after this, you are advised to refer other people to the platform. It's not mandatory, but your referral to the referring people to the platform actually makes you to get other benefits, which is known as referral bonus. So if you as much as you refer, then the more referral bonus that you get. Then next, getting help. Now, within the period of you registering and providing help, the money which you use to provide help, you cannot get this money at that instance. It takes some time before you can get the money. Now, at the period where you cannot get the money, that stage is called frozen of your Marvel, which is frozen of your money. Now, When it gets to the period after your Marvel has been unfrozen, then at this period it means that you can actually call for help, you can actually get help, and that's when you click on the get help button on the dashboard. What are the benefits of MMM? Now, the first benefit of MMM is that for everybody that registered on MMM platform and make a pledge of amount of money which is 20,000 naira and above, get a registration bonus of $20 free of charge. Secondly, everybody on the MMM platform, every registered member of MMM platform that invites any other person to the platform, get a referral bonus, a 10% referral bonus. Meaning, if Mr. A introduced Mr. B to the MMM platform and Mr. B happens to provide help of 200,000 naira, Mr. A gets 20,000 naira, which is 10% of Mr. B 200,000 naira added to his or her account. Minimum of 30% monthly profit. Now, once you leave your money for a period of 1 month, the least percentage increase you get on your money is 30%. Let's assume Mr. A provide help of 100,000 naira. At the end of the month, 30% will be added to the 100,000 naira, making it 130,000 naira, which is known as 130,000 Marvel. Holiday bonuses. MMM also gives some bonuses when they are celebrating some special or historical events in a particular country. For example, like the Xmas, there's Xmas bonuses that is being given by MMM to its participants. Also, MMM gives anniversary bonuses when it's a year, 2 years, or 3 years that the MMM platform is being organized in a particular country. They give bonuses to that. Likewise, some other bonuses can be given by MMM when the time comes, either in holiday or when they feels like. Testimonial video bonus. Now, after you get help of the money that you have provided, let's take the case of Mr. A, which I said above, provide help of 100,000 naira, and at the end of the month, when he wants to collect his money, collecting 130,000 Marvel. Now, after getting this money, if Mr. A happen to create a testimonial video and upload it on the site of MMM showing his face, Mr. A will get 5% of the 130,000 that he has actually gotten from the get help. But if he choose not to show his face, but just to do the audio of his testimony of how he make a donation and how he got his money back, then he get 3% of the money that he has actually gotten back. Now look at this. Is this not a very wide range of trying to meet or bridge the gap between the poor and the rich? Why do I say this? For this, you don't need any collateral, or you don't need anything to stand for before you can actually make your money or your profit on MMM. Rules of MMM. Ensure you participate with your spare money. Please never try to be greedy or never try to provide help of the amount which you know you don't have. This might lead to your account being blocked if you cannot give the amount you say you want to provide help with when the time comes. Participant must make payment within 48 hours when matched. When you are asked to provide the money which you have pledged to give to somebody that needs it, you need to do that within the period that you are being told or you are being communicated to and 48 hours. If you cannot do this due to either one problem or the other, either proximity to the bank or internet to upload your proof of payment, then you have 24 hours to actually tell the person you want to give this money to help you extend it, which make it 72 hours from the time that you are asked to pay that money, or else after this time your account will be blocked. Never upload fake receipts of payments. Now, some people are found with the act of not actually giving the amount they said they want to give to somebody who needs that money, and they'll go ahead to upload fake receipts. When this happens, your account will be totally blocked. Avoid using multiple accounts. Now, the implication of this is that there's no specified period when you'll be matched to somebody that needs the amount which you say you want to provide help with. If you have multiple accounts, there's every possibility that you can be asked to provide help or to give money to different people at that same time. So if you are having multiple accounts, then this might result to you not be able to meet with the required money that you're supposed to give different people at that same time, which might lead to your account being blocked. Every participant of MMM is expected to be sincere and honest. And what do I mean by this? You have to ensure all the above rules above is being adhered to. Now, with all this, if you can keep all this, then you can be sure that you can actually make a huge sum of money within a limited time. Not going to the rich to beg money, or not going to the bank to collect money, or getting collateral from the bank to get money. And with this, you can actually do this and actually bridge the gap and meet with the standard of the rich. With this, I believe everyone out there that is yet to join the platform of MMM and enjoy what majority of us are enjoying will find this as a means of them to hurriedly log into their website and join the MMM platform and enjoy every benefit that participants and even guardians are enjoying on the MMM platform. Thank you for watching.